Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moses Adeyemi. So I'll be taking you through how to add a watermark to your video or your clips on a VN editor. So the major thing you need to just import the two clips, your video and the watermark logo in which you want to put on your video. So once you have imported the clips, so just try and align your video as well. So I will just be doing a little bit of color grading on the video, and after then so I will click on the logo which I wanted to use as watermark, so just to flip it over to be an overlay. So then from there I will remove the background of the image in which I want to use as watermark. So watch to the end and see the final output.